Greetings, everyone. It's another wonderful night of hockey ahead. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, I'm Mike Emery. Down on the ice, the teams are ready for this game between the Tampa Bay Lightning and the Philadelphia Flyers. To Strawman. Snapped up that right wing to Stamkos. Off that right side, he's got a perfect pass. Back in his defensive end to get it. Up the wing. That play is offside, and so back to center ice for the faceoff. Solid win at center ice. Now what? Looks ahead to start something. Not a long pass, but effective. He's got it. Good distance on that one to Palat. Simmons carrying it through center. Shoots one. Nice job with the pad that time. All a part of generating an offense. Little pass off from the goal. Point to point. Oh, great chance. Oh, what a great chance, but it's off the iron. Slid to Umberger. Shoots. Nicely patted away. Picks it up in his own end. To Kucherov. Diagonally to Garrison. Turned aside off the pad. Broken stick, couldn't take it. Two sticks together, they cancel. A little under 8 minutes have passed. Still knotted at zeros. The Flyers with a face-off win. Lets it go. Pad save. Score!
Couturier's in the high slot, and he rips home a slapper.
Bishop's glove isn't able to catch up to this one. It beats him in the top half of the net as he tries to dive back.
That is the first goal scored after a lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Possession on the pickup in the defensive zone by Steven Stamkos. Swept on to Drouin. Off target. A shot. Nice work with the pass. Big drop. Score! He got iron with that shot.
He shot that puck so hard, I only saw it when it finally came back out of the net.
Bishop's not able to make this stop. He's in good shape to make that save, but the puck is perfectly delivered. It hits the bottom of the crossbar and goes in.
Philadelphia's prevailed again on the face-off in the neutral zone. Shot, not there.
My favorite shot, the backhand. Unfortunately, he missed the net wide.
Wonderful stop by Bishop.
That save was much more difficult than it looked.
Under siege needs to be gotten out. Too heavy. And he sends it back into the opposite corner. Angled to Simmons. Got it in the slot. Could be trouble near the line. Back in his defensive end to get it. Propelled to Boyle. Shot. He missed by a lot there. Giroux's tripped and a penalty should be coming. Hedman's going to the box. A player hit the ice, and the call on them is tripping.
This is a tough call. He was trying to play the puck, but he tripped up the attacking player.
And so begins power play number one. Let's see if it's power play goal number one. Philadelphia's got it.
Stay out of the penalty box when you're playing this team. You do not want to put them on the power play.
You got it, Eddie. Let's see. The power play is just about to begin. Chip to strike. Moves it to the barrier at center ice. Let's put that one as an offside into the training video for next year. Pretty obvious. Philadelphia's got another face-off win. Gains the zone. Sticked away. But he hit the post. He's got the puck on his stick, but can he clear it? Good job of clearing. And offside is called on this one. It was rather obvious. Philadelphia's got another face-off win. Good job holding that one in. Oh, stick save. He covers, and a face-off will follow. Philadelphia's got that face-off win. Score! 3 straight goals.
You get to this high-scoring area, a wrist shot is a great choice.
Bishop's out of position here. He's got to go back against the grain to try and make the glove save. It's just not enough despite his efforts.
Neutralized face-off win. Gets in. What'll he do? That hit somebody. Waffle boarded. It's been overwhelming. They need a big play by Stamkos. Shoots. Wonderful save. What skill by both goalie and shooter.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
First period has come to a close. There was offense, but only on one side. We turn to the shots on goal. Heavy for one, light for the other. 10 for Philadelphia and 4 for the Lightning. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What impressed you most?
The Flyers put on a clinic in that first period, not only by scoring a lot of goals, but the way that they handle the puck. They're managing the puck really allowed them to create and generate all those goals in the first period.
Outlet up the middle to Filppula. He heads right for the net. Got a piece of it. Rebound. Oh, a great reaction there as that one was tipped on goal. Superb save by Mason. Gains the zone. Blocked. What a hit.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
He missed the net.
Well, he worked himself into a real good scoring area, and he missed the net on the back end.
Hey, lightning-like glove save. That diffuses the attack for now.
Bishop's seen enough. He does the right thing, freezes the puck, play stops.
Philadelphia's got that win. Good pad stop. Shooting. Huge stop by Bishop.
Talking about making it look easy.
It's risky business here, especially when you've been there a lot. That covers some acreage to Palat. Got it on his stick in the slot. Great poke check. Little pass that can start some progress ahead. Kick that one away. And we get a penalty. The referee to the table, a player to the box. The Flyers enter this one on your score sheet. 2 minutes, goalie interference.
This is an easy call for the official. You must let the goaltender play his position, especially when he's in the blue paint.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. The Flyers with a clean win on the draw. The Flyers shoot it back out. Got some time to check the clock and prepare to defend again. Just wide of the post.
What a scoring opportunity. He had 6 foot of net to look at. He missed every bit of it.
Slides it to the point to Stamkos. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
Heads along the boards. And this play is whistled down. It is offside. A little under 9 minutes have elapsed here in the second. It's a solid lead by a score of 3-0. On to Belmont. Cranks a shot. Deflected off the blocker. He's got it, but can he shovel it out of there? Wrist shot. Much ice to cover. The puck taken by Johnson. Fires. Blockered away. Off his pad. Led on to Kucherov. The Flyers are back even. Oh, and here's a 3-on-2. That hits somebody. He drives to the net. To Johnson. It's dumped in. Out of his crease with a big goal stick. The puck stops right there. Through center, gains the zone. Oh, what a glove he's got there. Laid on to Johnson. Gains the blue line. High drive. Shoots. Save. And let's hear again from Ray.
Strite's been like a one-man demolition crew. He has been so physical all over the ice.
Okay, Ray, he is a special player to watch. Philadelphia's got another win. A magnificent pad save. Walking a thin line near the border there. Puck held near the point. Possession taken over by Carl. To Carl. Laid up that right side to Condra. And the puck gathered in the neutral zone by Condra. Slices through the neutral zone. Great stick save. To Killorn. Carries it up the side. And snapped up by Condra. Sent to the opposite corner by Garrison. Looks ahead to start something. To Raffle. Ripper! Lightning in that glove.
You can't ask for a better opportunity in the scoring zone. What a great glove save.
Slid to Johnson. He throws it there. 40 minutes played, 20 minutes to go. Nothing to save it for now. We take a look at the shots on goal through 2 periods. 24 for the Flyers and 8 for Tampa Bay. We have begun the 3rd period. Move to the barrier at center ice by Schultz. Great work with the pad. Muscled long to Drouin. A tape to taper from the left booted aside. Right near the line, can he keep it going? Back near the blue line to Filppula. The puck is fielded now by Filppula. That's a good solid hit. He's had many. That one's to him from his goaltender. And they've got a 3-on-2 here. There's a shot that's way wide. I'm sure he meant well.
I think with him getting bounced around in a slot area, he just got a little discombobulated and missed the net completely.
Oh, that's a great save by Bishop.
They don't ask how, he just did.
Enormous collision.
You don't see those type of collisions very often.
2 sticks together, it goes to the offense. Hammers, score! 4 in a row.
When you're an offensive player, you have that much time, you're allowed to take that big, heavy slap shot. Fortunately for the offensive team, they're rewarded with a big goal.
Wow, crazy, Enzo. He's got a clean look at this. He's set. He just can't react in time.
Just under 7 minutes have been played. You can see momentum in this game. It has shifted, and it is expanding even more. The advantage is 4 goals. In front, terrific glove save. A cover, and play is stopped. The Flyers with a face-off win. To Umberger. To McDonald. Moves up the side with it now. He can start some danger here. Left with the pad. He's into the slot. A shot. Just wide.
Oh, this is prime real estate right in front of the goal with the puck. You got to find a way to hit the net. You can't miss that wide.
Locked in by Callahan. Picks it up in his own end. Taken up the wing by Simmons. Got that in the trapper.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Back in his defensive end to get it. Carried through center ice. Hammered. Terrific pad save. Perfect receipt of the pass. To McDonald. Dragged through the neutral zone by McDonald. Oh, he put it in his own net. It counts against him.
Bishop's not able to make this stop. Once it hits his defender, it ping-pongs around and ends up in the net behind him.
Goalie to the bench. Substitution made.
Bishop's not looked comfortable from the very beginning. Way too many pucks went right through him tonight.
Carried toward the woodwork by Strike. Looks ahead to start something. To Stamkos. Moves up along the boards. On to Strowman. Charged up the wing by Hedman. Got his pad on that one. Lets it go. Nice job with the pad that time. Lots on that to Stamkos. Right up the side. Laid on to Hedman. Worked again to Drouin. One of the great things about this sport is watching two big guys collide.
I love seeing plays like that along the boards.
Taken out along the boards. Got his glove on it. Onside. Pass to the shooting position. Heads on behind. Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Mason's always had excellent leg speed. Here he makes a great pad stop.
Boyle's just like his team, losing. Tampa Bay's came in, but they're coming back out now. And that play is a child of... And so the gloves will come off.
This is one of the ways to show your coaches you're involved. I think he stunned him with that first shot.
A surprising end to this fight.
You see the look on his face? He was surprised that he was able to do that.
There's no way they're going to come back now. They're going to try and exact a pound of flesh here.
Giroux's got another in a long list of face-off wins. Smashed in. Picks it up in his own end. To the slot. Wonderful save.
A quality chance, a better save.
The clock is at zeros. The game is over. Philadelphia's coaching staff smiles tonight because they have a huge win.
In order to get that many shots on goal, you got to be able to pass the puck, you got to be able to skate, and the mindset needs to be get the puck to the net.
That's that's it for another great night at a hockey rink. For Eddie and Ray, Doc saying good evening, everyone.